Good morning, everyone. This is Composting Coins Plus. In this case, plus the continuing saga, drama, rip-up of the Main Street here in Smooth Rock Falls. I guess I will say Smooth Rock Falls out loud since this is where I have been for many a month, and this is my new home. Oh, they have clay in the soil here. That's cool to know, since I have a huge section under this building, which is mine, partly mine, 1/3 mine, that contains what I call petrified dirt tile that I can dig out. Hello, good morning. And I can actually possibly stumble into some very dry clay. Clay is a wonderful material, not so much for growing stuff, but for building things, making pots and whatever. Anyways, yeah, so this is... I'll be so glad to see that horrible spot gone. Yeah, so the digging project continues. This is supposed to last about 2 years. They've been making some pretty sweet progress, though. Yes, look up, there's dangerous wires. They started way over there, and they're working their way towards the other end. I hear they're doing some side streets as well. Maybe over there. There. There's a huge pile of gravel over there and a bunch of, I can't tell if they're old pipes or new pipes. I know there's new pipes there, those blue ones. Let's see if I can move the camera out. Yeah. There we go. There might be old ones there too, I can't tell. But it's a staging ground they've got going there. Have going. Yeah. So, lots of repairs being done. Probably long overdue. But well in advance of any horrible disasters, except there was some mysterious, I don't know if you can see it from here, maybe it's too far away. Yeah, you see where there's two traffic cones over there? There's a weird crack, pushed up crack in the ground, or sorry, on the sidewalk, that nobody can figure out, but I know. And yeah, lots of repairs need to be done. I promised myself I wasn't going to cry, but oh well, can't help it. If this individual is watching, I hope that we can fix the things that are broken between us, and perhaps make a part 2 to our relationship. We've gone through so much together in such a short period of time. We made mistakes. Please go.